Good Shabbos and good Chodesh. I hope you and your family are well. This week, in shul, we'll be reading the double Sedra of TAZRIA-METZORA, and the main message is about the most powerful and most definitive feature of the human being, which is this thing over here, the peh, the mouth. And we've already started to have lessons from that from the previous festival we had, Pesach. In fact, one of the idea of Pesach is the mouth which speaks, and the main enemy was the Paro or Pera, the evil mouth. And this Sedra is all about how to control our evil speech. And in the old days, in the times of the Bible, there was such a thing up until the destruction of the temple as tzara'at, which is the subject of this week's Sedra, which was some sort of skin lesion which would come onto a person. It was actually based on a spiritual disease. If somebody was having antisocial behavior, especially speaking negatively about other people, they would find these lesions either on their house, their clothing, or actually on their body. And there'll be a whole procedure of cleansing a person of this tzara, this type of leprosy. But the lesson and the eternal lesson for us is about how to use our mouth properly. Now, in the Jewish community going out the next few weeks, put out by Seeds and the Jewish Futures Networks, there's an amazing project called the Clean Speech UK. I really advise you to go out there and to have a look at this program. There's a daily lesson, there's resources online. Because all of us can learn to use our mouth in a better way for more positive speech, for holding ourselves back when it is not appropriate for us to make comments. Because with our mouth, we either create or we either destroy as well. This is similar to how God created the world. One of the main prayers we have in the synagogue is Baruch Sha'ama V'haya Ha'olam. Blessed is the one who said, and the world came into being. Similarly, we are created in God's image, and we can create or destroy worlds with our mouths. So this Shabbat is also going to be Rosh Chodesh, which is a new beginning. So let's take on a new project. There's resources out there already in many books, but there's a new project called the Clean Speech UK. I strongly advise you to sign up for it. It's a new month, a new beginning. We can learn to use our mouth in a more positive way. Wishing you and your family Shabbat Shalom and Chodesh Tov.